not care less.
Do it.
Harley sounds so bad. Oh my god. You want tacos?
No, I'm okay. I just ate. Wait, is it because I'm Mexican? You.
Oh no, it was actually. At first, it was actually because I was asking you.
No, you don't know. It's not even recording. Chill out. You don't want it?
No.
Look at that.
God.
Holy shit, that's fucking.
That's fucking sick as shit. That is so cool.
It sounds so fucking nice.
It sounds like.
Dude is rising up the camera.
I don't really care, but like, you know what I mean?
Like at
When I
a.
started in my neighborhood and shit, it's like, holy shit, feel bad right now.
Holy shit. I wish I could zoom in. Ladies first.
Thanks, babe.
What? Oh, fucking.
What is that?
If I were.
Ever said something? Oh my god, it's bagged.
Holy shit.
Oh my my.
Holy shit.
Yo.
That's actually fucking wild.
Yo. That is so cool, bruh.
Holy fucking shit.
Oh my god, that is so freaking sick.
That's so
Holy
unexpected.
shit.
Bro just aired out on us.
I know. Somebody just goes. We're leaving already? So loud.
Okay, rev that home. Sing it, sing it.
What?
Keep singing.
There's no lyrics to sing.
No, keep singing.
Get away from me! I don't know you!
All right, keep on. Keep,
Wait.
Actions.
Action! Oh god.
Look at that. M.
What?
M. Oh, that's a special one. Wait.
Don't stop believing. You're so overexposed, bro. What the fuck are you doing?
It's because I wanted the interior shot.
Hell. Is that Ruby?
It's the quietest thing in my garage.
Really?
Oh,
And exhaust and Ducatis can run, even a slip-on is like $5,000.
oh yeah.
What?
Yeah, a slip-on's $5,000. Why would I do that?
A slip on for mine is like $100. Not even. God.
Yeah, when
That's pretty loud. That is loud.
That's the pit limiter.
Jesus fucking Christ.
God fucking damn. These 636s right here. There's like 2 or 3, you know?
Dang, he's Dominican.
That's fire. That's so fire.
Your dance moves are fire. my gosh. Fuck up.
Oh, more bikers.
Where?
Over there. What is that?
That's a CX-14. God damn. What the fuck?
I've never seen this in person before.
Snapchat says otherwise.
I don't use Snapchat anymore.
Oh. Is that why you unadded me?
I don't unadd you.
Oh shit.
Wow, so R, so sick.
Is this real carbon? Is this real carbon?
Yeah, it's real carbon. It's real
This is
carbon.
real carbon?
It's real carbon. It's real carbon.
Holy shit, I can
It's
see
so
you.
real. It's so real. It's so real. It's so real. It's so
So reflective. Look at that. It even reflects the sun. So white right there.
real. This guy got Mob Ink stickers. I handled this.
I mean, yeah, you could.
Well, I haven't done the biggest stream yet.
Look, they're pointing at yours.
Yeah. No, they're not.
Aw.
No, they don't like mine.
Just waiting on Rob Conrad to walk up here.
This is fucking crazy. Ah, I'm going down. Who was it?
Who did that?
Artist?
What is that?
ZX, I mean 636, and
Something else. I don't know.
I don't know what the other one is. Huh. Oh yeah.
Everyone's leaving right now. Alright.
Hot shot.
Is that an engine winch in the back? It is. Oh my god. That's cool.
Dude, this is LS fault, I think.
It's not a ZX6. This is something else.
ZX6R?
Yeah, I know, bitch. This one.
Oh, I didn't even say this one. I said I don't know what this one is.
Oh.
GXer. GX.
Oh, this is the sport touring one. This is the touring one.
Oh.
It has all the box holders in the back. See?
That's cool.
Yeah. See, I like the handlebars for this one. This is way
I was
better.
fucking say that.
Sit upright.
Yeah, it's gonna be comfy. Quad lock. Quad lock.
I kind of want one.
What's the wet weight? Wet weight.
Probably heavy as fuck.
Probably.
Look, it has a little charger thing too.
That's
Well, I
like,
don't have that. I have nothing. I have fucking jack shit.
you know what you do have?
What?
Straight pipe. I'm not filming you. I was pointing down.
I don't want straight pipe though. I want